Hi there. This video will walk you through and highlight the new features of the newly released Walk-in Traffic tab. You will see the Traffic tab on the left of your page along with your other tabs. The number shown will highlight the total number of traffic still in progress for the day. When you click on the tab, it will show you the total number of traffic based on the search criteria below. Criteria includes filters for personnel, date range, visit status, and sold. By default, all personnel are selected, but you can also select an individual to search traffic by. You can select a custom date range or a pre-specified date range. The default date range is the last 7 days. You can select all traffic, or by default, it will show you traffic still in progress. You can sort by sold traffic as well. In the client list on the left, you will see each visit with client name, salesperson, and the date and time entered into TMS. The timer will highlight in progress clients and how long they have been in the showroom. The search above will let you search by name, and the sort button will resort based on the time. To manage a visit, simply select a client name on the left. At the top of the visit, you will see 4 sections to navigate between the traffic and lead info. The 4 sections are Edit Visit, Edit Client, Comments, and Visit History. There are also action buttons to the right, which include loading an appointment, adding a comment, deleting the traffic, and completing the visit. When editing a visit, you will see the client's name at the top. You can click on the client name to open up a new tab for the customer history page. To the right of the name is the lead type and original date of the lead, and if the client was loaded from an appointment. Editing the visit will be similar to before with all your basic visit info such as salesperson, manager, source, and model. One of the most exciting new features will be that every field is automatically saved on update, meaning no separate save button is needed on the new page. Hovering over the eye icon will let you see the up-to-date stats for that sales rep. You will also see worksheet integrations as normal from here as well. If after the visit another follow-up appointment is needed, you can click the plus sign in the appointment section to book the next appointment for the client. Marking a visit sold and adding a delivery date will now automatically create a delivery appointment in TMS. If the visit was a scheduled appointment but the appointment was not loaded when the traffic was created, you will see the appointment scheduled status in the appointment section and also see a yellow load appointment button above. With this button, you can immediately load the booked appointment, linking the appointment and the visit. This will correctly mark the appointment as a completed appointment. To update a client's information, click on the Edit Client tab. The red exclamation icon will let you know there may be possible duplicate clients in your database. Below, simply edit the field to update information. In the address field, you can click on the magnifying glass to search Google Maps for a full address. On the right, you will see potential duplicate customers listed. Clicking on one will display both sets of client information. Select the information you want to save to continue and click Merge to complete. To view comments for the traffic and any previous lead comments, click on the Comments tab above. The number in the tab indicates how many comments there are for this lead. To add a new comment, simply click on the Add Comment button above. The new comment will be added to the lead along with who entered the comment. To view the lead history, click on Visit History above. A gold star icon will indicate the client previously purchased a vehicle from your store. The list will show any previous appointments or traffic along with the date, salesperson, model, source, and if it was sold. Finally, once your traffic is fully updated and you are ready to complete the visit, click on the Complete Visit button above. The next client on the list will now be selected, if any. If you need to delete a traffic, click on Delete Traffic. The lead can be deleted at that same time now if necessary. Select a reason for deleting and confirm deletion. This completes the video walkthrough. Thanks for watching.